Good morning, everybody. It is 4:40. It is December the 14th, 2018. We're going to go over the earthquakes. We're going to go over Tropical Cyclone Owen, and we're going to go over the UK's weather warnings. Here we go. A 4.8 West Chile rise at 6.2 miles in depth. That was on the GFZ. There was a 4.5 New Zealand at 203 miles in depth, and that was on the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 4.0 China at 12 miles in depth. That was on the China Earthquake Center. There was a 4.3 off the coast of Chile at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 Afghanistan, and that was 74 miles in depth. That was on the GFZ. There was a 4.1 south of Fiji Island, Indonesia, at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Malaccan Sea at 50 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 New Zealand again at 88 miles in depth. That was on the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 4.8 off the coast of Greenland at 6.2 miles in depth. USGS upgraded that to a 5.0. You sitting down? There was a 4.2 Chile. That was at 9.9 miles in depth. That was on the GUG Chile Earthquake Center. There was a 4.8 Fiji Island region at 334 miles in depth. There was a 5.1 Honshu, Japan. That was on the GFZ. USGS said it was a 4.8, so they downgraded it. It was at 19 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Southern Alaska at 23 miles in depth. There's another earthquake. Hang on, guys. There was a 3.0 Iceland at 3.1 miles in depth. That was on the Met Office Earthquake Center. There was a 2.4 near Decatur, Tennessee at 3.1 miles in depth. Let me see what the other earthquakes were. Hang on here. All right, what do we got here? 4.6 Peru. I'll have to check on the depth. And then they have another one here, a 4.2 Mexico. Now, Peru's got their own earthquake center, so let's do this here. I will check that and put the depth down when we're done, and I've already posted. Tropical Cyclone Owen is moving east-southeast at 15 miles an hour with a max wind of 85, gusting to 105. And tomorrow morning, they're saying it's going to be moving east-southeast at 10, max of 60, gusting to 75. The evening of the 15th, they're saying it's going to be moving east-southeast at 10, max of 45, gusting to 60. The morning of the 16th, our time, okay, it's going to be moving east-southeast at 5, max of 40, gusting to 50. Here comes the kicker, all right? They've got it going a little weird here. On the morning of the 17th, it's going to go south at 0 miles an hour, max speed of 40, gusting to 50. It's going out to sea at that point, okay? Then it's going to make a sharp turn right back into Queensland region. And so it's got it moving at 0 miles in depth, max of 40, gusting to 50 as it makes way to Mackay, Mackay, as it shoots back into that direction. So it's going to go out to sea, go down, and kick right back in again. Guys, you're not finished with Owen yet. And he's not finished with you. Let me get to the Met Office weather in the UK. Still have the blizzard warning up. It is a yellow weather warning for Scotland and northern England for Saturday and Sunday. And some of the rural communities will be at risk. That's what they said yesterday. Heavy snowfall, freezing rain, high winds, expecting power outages, road closures. Guys, this sounds like a big one. You be safe out there, all right? That's all I have for right now. God bless you guys. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Have a great day. 2 thumbs up for you.